Everyone, I'm here in Ajax, Ontario. I'm here on Brock Road, and they closed down most of Brock Road because there was a major accident on the highway. I'll put the video after this video right now. I mean afterwards. Yeah, it was a massive explosion. I think a truck exploded and something else exploded. I tried to take video, but the cops said, no, you gotta go away, get out of here. So yeah, I'll put whatever I have after this video, because yeah, I heard a big explosion way in the distance, and last night around 12:30 a.m. yeah, and then I heard more explosions, and yeah, I had to come investigate. So this is Brock Road in Pickering, well, the border between Pickering and Ajax, and they've closed down most of the road like this. They closed down the highway too. And I just took a little bit of a video of the blown up truck. So yeah, there's the helicopters, ambulances, fire trucks everywhere. So yeah.
Canada's busiest highway is shut down this morning east of Toronto following a deadly and fiery crash. The OPP say 2 transport trucks and a car collided on the highway at Brock Road just before 11 last night. The crash causing a major explosion and sparking a large fire that consumed all 3 vehicles. Police say 1 person has died. Morning commuters are being told to expect heavy delays as the highway remains closed through this stretch.